Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing 3 kitchen essentials that are making waves in 2025. They're practical, eco-friendly, and perfect for anyone who loves cooking or entertaining. Let's dive in. Product 1 minus 12-pack reusable. Glass straws. First up, the 12-pack reusable glass straw set. This set comes with 6 straight and 6 bent straws, plus 2 cleaning brushes. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, they can handle both hot and cold drinks without altering the taste. They're eco-friendly, reusable, and safe, unlike plastic straws. They won't leach harmful chemicals when exposed to heat. Perfect for smoothies, juices, cocktails, and more. And yes, they're dishwasher safe. But if you want a quick clean, the included brushes make it super easy. Product 2, Air Fryer Disposable Liners. Next, if you own an air fryer, you'll love these. Disposable Air Fryer Liners. They're 4.7-inch square parchment sheets, non-stick, and oil-proof, making cleanup effortless. No more scrubbing stuck-on food from your air fryer basket. These liners are heat-resistant, keep food from sticking, and help maintain your air fryer's lifespan. Just place one in the basket, cook, and toss it out when you're done. Perfect for 1 to 3-quart air fryers. Product 3, YSTKC Acacia Wood Cutting Board. And finally, the YSTKC Acacia Wood Cutting Board with handle. Crafted from natural acacia wood, it's durable, knife-friendly, and gorgeous enough to double as a serving tray. It's just the right size E14 by 8.5 inches, making it stable and easy to work with. The smooth handle gives a comfortable grip, so you can chop ingredients and transfer them straight into your pot. It's also perfect for serving cheese, charcuterie, bread, or vegetables at parties. So there you have it, 3 simple tools that will make your kitchen cleaner, greener, and more stylish. You can find all the links in the description. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more kitchen finds, and I'll see you in the next video.